Yoga is a holistic practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to promote overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to improve flexibility, reduce stress, or enhance your fitness level, yoga offers numerous benefits for both body and mind. This beginner's guide will introduce you to the basics of yoga, helping you embark on a fulfilling journey of self-discovery and wellness. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India over 5,000 years ago. It encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual disciplines aimed at achieving harmony and balance in life. The benefits of yoga are vast and include improved flexibility, strength and posture, enhanced respiratory and cardiovascular function, better balance and coordination, reduced stress and anxiety, increased mindfulness and concentration, improved mood and emotional well-being, greater self-awareness, and a deeper connection with oneself and the universe. Starting with simple poses helps build a strong foundation. Here are a few beginner-friendly asanas. Mountain pose, Tadasana, involves standing tall with feet together and arms at your sides, distributing your weight evenly on both feet, inhaling deeply, lifting your arms overhead, and stretching upwards, holding for a few breaths while focusing on balance and alignment. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, starts on your hands and knees with wrists under shoulders and knees under hips, spreading your fingers wide and pressing into the mat, tucking your toes and lifting your hips, straightening your legs to form an inverted V shape with your body, keeping your spine straight and heels reaching toward the ground. Child's pose, Balasana, involves kneeling on the floor with big toes.